Is your faucet driving you nuts with that annoying drip, drip, drip? That sound isn't just irritating, it's literally draining your wallet. A single leaky faucet can waste up to 3,000 gallons of water a year. That's the same as 180 showers. But here's the good news, you don't need to call a plumber. You don't need expensive tools. You don't even need a full toolbox. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a leaky faucet yourself, even if you've never done any plumbing before. This guide is simple, beginner-friendly, and will save you time, money, and stress. Before we grab the tools, let's understand why faucets leak. There are 4 common causes. Worn-out washers, the small rubber seal gets old and brittle. Damaged cartridges, these control the water flow and can crack over time. Corroded valve seats, this happens where the spout meets the base. Loose or worn O-rings, these are rubber rings around the faucet stem. Knowing what causes the problem helps you diagnose and fix it quickly. And the repair method will depend on the type of faucet you have. Compression, older faucets with separate hot and cold knobs. Cartridge disc ball faucets, don't worry. This guide will work for all of them, with slight tweaks. Part 2 tools, you'll need 145 to 230. Now for the fun part, let's gather your tools. Here's what you need: adjustable wrenched flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, replacement washers or cartridge, plumber's grease, optional, a small cloth or towel, white vinegar and a bowl. For cleaning buildup, light bulb. Pro tip, take a photo of your faucet before disassembling, it'll help when putting everything back together. Alright, let's dive into the actual repair. Here's the step-by-step. Checkmark step 1. Turn off the water, find the shut-off valves under your sink. Turn them clockwise to stop the water flow. Open the faucet to let out any remaining water. Checkmark step 2. Remove the handle, use a screwdriver to remove the faucet handle. Sometimes there's a small cap hiding the screw, just pop it off gently. Checkmark step 3. Remove the packing nut and stem under the handle, you'll find a nut, loosen it with a wrench. Then pull out the faucet stem. Inspect the washer at the bottom or the cartridge depending on your faucet type. Checkmark step 4. Replace the washer or cartridge. If it's a washer, remove the screw holding it in and swap in the new one. If it's a cartridge, match it with the exact brand and model. Take the old one to a hardware store if needed. Checkmark step 5. Clean and lubricate. Use white vinegar to clean away any mineral deposits. Apply a little plumber's grease to rubber parts if you have it, this helps extend their life. Checkmark step 6. Reassemble and test. Put everything back in reverse order. Tighten screws gently, don't over-tighten. Turn the water back on. Now check for leaks, all good. You did it. Here are a few mistakes beginners often make. Prohibited forgetting to shut off the water, you'll get soaked. Prohibited forcing parts to fit, always use matching parts. Prohibited over-tightening screws, that can crack parts or strip threads. Prohibited skipping the cleaning step, build-up causes future leaks. Avoiding these will make your fix last longer and keep your faucet like new. Now that your faucet is fixed, let's keep it leak-free. Here's how. Checkmark clean the faucet aerator once a month. Just unscrew it and rinse. Checkmark avoid cranking the handle too hard, it wears out seals faster. Checkmark once a year, check under the sink for drips or moisture. Checkmark if you live in a hard water area, soak faucet parts in vinegar every few months. Just a little maintenance can extend your faucet's life by years. Q. What if the faucet still leaks after replacing the washer? Right finger, try replacing the cartridge, it may be the real issue. Q. Can I use universal parts? Right finger, not always. Cartridges are brand specific, Moan, Delta, Kohler, etc. Q. I replaced everything, and it still leaks from the base. Why? Right finger, it might be a corroded valve seat. That's tougher to fix, and you may need a seat wrench or a professional for that part. Outro and call to action 8:15 to 8:45, and that's it. You just fixed a leaky faucet, saved water, and avoided an expensive plumber bill, all by yourself. If this video helped, Hit that like button, subscribe to Fix It and Learn, and turn on the bell for more easy DIY hacks every single week. Got a question or want to suggest the next fix? Drop it in the comments. I reply to everyone.